All right, boys, what's new? Adobe crashed again. Welcome home. I haven't been doing it for a couple of months, but I'm back this year. We're going to hit it harder than ever. I will be unrelenting and persistent, and I will not stop. My tenacity is going to exceed this dumb program, all right? And I do think it's pretty dumb. One day they'll maybe make a better one. But until then, we got to work with what we got. You know, it's late at night. I will get it done. Guys, please like this video. Sub. I'll see you back tomorrow. Alright, Monday morning, first day of this year. Got a lot of stuff going on, getting ready for tomorrow, working in the yard. Got the container that we're working on. Also, there was some massive winds. We got twigs, we got water, just everywhere. It looks like there's a lot of stuff we gotta clean up. So basically we gotta get everything set up so tomorrow morning we can go to Bay Area to do a countertop. So let's see what we can do today. So we're going to be using the sprayer for this. So I got left cans of paint. This is primer, so we're going to use primer first, and then we'll use the paint. So what I would do is I would take a bunch of the tools and put it in the shower and tape off the shower. Keep that for later. Okay, I gotta go get some parts. I'll be right back.
Yeah, but so that thing needed to be mudded.
Yeah, exactly.
So I don't need to put it in over there.
I would mud it first, then start priming it. I'm gonna close the door so the heater starts heating things up. When Dad comes over here, you guys split up. Let him start mudding a bunch of stuff. Well, that's the sprayer right there. You see it, right?
This one?
Yeah. Alright, we're off to the shop. Get rid of these Christmas lights. All right, the plot thickens. The sensor didn't work, so now we gotta get an ECU to try to reprogram the computer because it seems like there's a deeper fault in it. So we still got somewhat of Christmas tree. There's the sensor right there. So tonight I'm gonna have to take care of that. Until then, we gotta continue working. We gotta continue setting things up for today because tomorrow is Bay Area. Let's do it.
Have you ever been underneath the scar? I don't even see the oil.
Brake plug? You probably, it's supposed to be, is there like a metal cover underneath?
Yes.
Okay.
This metal cover and the filter either. I don't see the filter.
The filter's supposed to be up. So the van gets like 14 cords. Also, the Infinity gets a filter change for the engine filter.
This one?
Yeah, so you say you don't know where it's at. Yeah. One we found it, and this one we found it. Now it's time to work on some office work. Gotta touch base with some customers and get some work done. All right, all the oil's been changed. the container's been primed, and now I gotta pick up the countertop for tomorrow. So we're going to 101 Building Supply right there. Gotta watch traffic both ways, and then we give it the beans. But basically we gotta pick up an island, the rest of the stuff's in Bay Area. So let's get that done. What's up, bro? Good morning. Hi. Good morning, good morning. We're gonna wrap up today. As you can see, we primered all the walls in here. We got everything mudded. Now, after a one coat of primer, I can go through and clearly see where the mud work is not that great. So we can touch up, go sand it, get rid of all these lines. Because I love level 5, I like perfect smooth. That's what I'm looking for. And as some of you know already, this is what I'm kind of building out for just like a drop box. This is a shipping container, so I can basically drop it anywhere, and it's sustainable. It has everything in it to be able to live. This is gonna be the bedroom right here. This is a kitchen. As you can see, I already got marked out for the cabinetry on the floor, and it goes that way. All the windows are already installed. And we got the bathroom right here. This is the bathroom that I'm gonna be building out step by step. As you can see, I got the shower in there. That's where the toilet, the vanity. It's gonna be pretty epic once it's gonna be done. As you can see, that's how far we got on it today. So that's gonna be a wrap up for today. Still got maybe another couple hours of office work. I send my guys home. And tomorrow we're gonna continue with what else we got, which is gonna be the Bay Area trip. So that's gonna put an end to day 1 of the first year, 2023. We'll see you guys tomorrow.